Hey everyone, it's Kim over here at Creating Community. Do your kids like to make stuff blow up or whatever, that kind of fun stuff? Well, I've decided that the rest of our homeschool year is going to be STEM projects and possibly blowing some things up. Sounds like fun, doesn't it? I'm going to do an unboxing. Stick around. Around for a while. I tend to do that. I think we got this for Hope for Christmas, but it's called Plays You Want to Have Fun Kaboom Explosive Combustion Science Lab Kit. So this looks like a lot of fun. And since we're pretty much done with our sunlight science, I think we have maybe another couple weeks. I wanted something fun to do for the rest of the school year. So I'm going to show you what's in the box. Kaboom! So first thing that's in there is this explosive lab kit. And it actually, I was kind of already looking through this. It's pretty cool. So if you go, it gives all kinds of instructions, tells you like what's in there. So there's the whole list of things that is in there actually. There's a whole bunch of good stuff. And so then it goes through and does all kinds of explanations about all kinds of different things. So you have like all kinds of things to read with questions and whatnot. And that goes for quite a while. There's quite a few pages of that. And then you get to the experiments. And I do believe there's like 25 of them in here. Let me look. Yes, there's 25 experiments. So we are actually going to start with experiment number 1, and we are going to film that. We thought that would be fun, so stick around. We're going to show you what one of these experiments is like, and if it's something that you enjoy, maybe we'll do more than one video. And the first one is going to be the dance of colors. So it tells you all that you need for your experiment. It'll go for the materials that are included in the kit, and then any extra materials. So like for this one, it has the large measuring cup, the coloring, the gloves, the pipettes, the rectangular plastic container, that's all included. And then I'll need some milk, toothpicks, and some washing fluid, which probably like some dish soap. So I'm just going to show you what all is in here. I'm not going to open it completely, but you can see like, so there's this first container and it's just filled with all kinds of good stuff in there. Gloves, all kinds of little things in there. And then it also comes with some goggles, which we have plenty of goggles, but I thought that was pretty cool. And then it has, there's a candle in here. There's a bunch of different things in here. It looks like some color. Kinds of good stuff in there. Congratulations, you have selected to receive a $5 Plays rebate. So there's a rebate in there, I guess, if you want to purchase something else. And some of these, I think they're stickers. Looks like they might be stickers. So that's all that's in there. Then I was noticing on the back, so I'm definitely going to have to check these out. There's some more of these science kits. There's a bubble formula. There's an A+ Kids Chemistry. There's the one, of course, that we got. There's Brain Freeze Ice Cream Making Science Lab, Edible Candy, and Fun with Fragrance. So they have all different kinds. So anyways, I just thought that this would be fun to share with you. It's something that we're going to be doing. So stick around. I'm going to be sharing a couple of the experiments with you. And like I said, if you all are interested in more than that, we will do more than that. So stick around. We're going to have some fun.